Are you tired of receiving emails with weird text formatting that makes it difficult to read? Well, today I'm going to show you how to remove text formatting in messages on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the top bar and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, click on See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your Gmail experience. Scroll down to the General section and look for the default text style option. This is where you can change the default text formatting for your emails. Click on the drop-down menu next to Default Text Style and select Remove Formatting. This will ensure that any text you receive will be displayed in a simple, easy-to-read format. Once you've made your selection, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to apply your new text formatting settings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove text formatting in messages on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Now you can enjoy reading your emails without any distractions. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.